Mm-hmm. 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 Let's go.
Hello and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today I'll be making oven-baked St. Louis style ribs. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. You will need 1 rack of St. Louis ribs, 4 tablespoons of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of onion powder, 2 tablespoons of garlic powder, 2 tablespoons of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of salt, and barbecue sauce. In a small bowl, combine your onion powder and brown sugar. Now add the garlic powder, salt, and pepper, then whisk until well combined. Make sure you have thoroughly cleaned and dried your ribs, then place them on a baking pan lined with aluminum foil. Now generously season both sides of your ribs with your seasoning mixture. Now wrap the ribs with the foil, then transfer to the preheated oven and allow them to cook for 2 hours. After 2 hours, remove your ribs from the oven, then increase your oven temperature to 400 degrees. Generously brush your ribs with the barbecue sauce, then leaving them uncovered, return them to the oven. Allow your ribs to cook for an additional 10 to 15 minutes. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.